Yo, you know what time is it? Anytime you see me on your screen, it's all about good deals, right? Right, so today we'll be talking about this 4-bedroom duplex in a mini estate. This duplex is for my Igbo brothers who wants to move from Lagos to Enugu because I know the rush is on. And also for my Igbo brothers who are in the diaspora wants to buy house in a secured place in Enugu, who are looking for security, luxury in the heart of Enugu. So watch this video if that interests you. So if you're interested in this property, kindly read the description below to get in touch with me. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye bye.